this video, I am going to show you how to create a histogram from a frequency distribution table in Excel. First thing you want to do is highlight the frequencies column. Only the frequencies column, not the entire table. Then you are going to go to Insert, and over here in the charts, look at the menu here where it says Insert Column or Bar Chart. Click on that, and then you are going to insert a cluster column chart, either a 2D or a 3D, but make sure it's the cluster column. So here is the Excel default, and we're going to have to do a little formatting on this. Easiest way is here, when you're clicked into the chart, you will see this chart design option. Click on that, and then on the left, under Quick Layout, you will select Layout 8. What Layout 8 does is it closes the gaps in the bars, because a histogram should have no gaps between the bars. However, you cannot see the individual bars anymore. So what you need to do is click on this little, you want to right click into the histogram, and here under Outline, you want to choose a contrasting color, because then you can see the bars. In a frequency histogram, which we have here, so let me title this Frequency Histogram. The vertical axis is the frequency, and the horizontal axis will represent the classes. Right now we can see they are not classes. Excel defaults the horizontal labels with the numerals 1, 2, 3, etc., always starting at 1. We want, though, to have the classes here as the labels for the horizontal axis. So again, click into the chart, go to Chart Design, and now on the right, go to Select Data. We want to change our horizontal axis labels, so click Edit, and now you are to highlight all the labels. You're not going to highlight the word classes, just highlight the labels, the classes themselves. You can see they are already down here, and when you click OK, they will stay that way. Click OK again to get out of the Edit menu, and here you are. You now have a frequency histogram where you can see the individual bars. There are no gaps between the bars. You have the horizontal axis labeled with the classes, and we have the titles of classes and frequencies.